Welcome to Bestia.dev. Learning Rust and WASM programming and having fun. I just love programming. Today we will follow the steps to install Windows Subsystem for Linux 2 and Debian 11 on Windows 10. Linux everywhere. WSL2 is a revolution. With it I have a lightweight virtual machine with a true Linux kernel. Let enable it on Windows 10 in PowerShell with 3 easy commands. I get the error. WSL2 requires an update to its kernel component. Visit the provided URL and do the update. Debian is considered the grandfather of Linux-based operating systems. Use the Microsoft Store to install Debian inside WSL2. Now we can open the Debian Bash terminal using the provided icon, or we can type WSL or Debian in the Start menu, Command Prompt or PowerShell terminal. In the Bash terminal we can now type the commands to upgrade Debian packages. Eventually uninstalling Debian and WSL2 is easy with few PowerShell commands. This is all for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Feel free to contact me on GitHub/bestia-dev.